We just arrived at Hyatt Regency Lisbon, and this is our suite. So let's start over here. Walking in, there's a lovely table of fruits and pictures of myself and a little welcome note. So this is nice that they've gone onto my social media and had a look at who I am and what I've been up to. I actually got engaged a few days ago, and they've managed to include that in their message. That's very much appreciated, making it very personal. Over here is the lounge area. And this is the balcony. It's a little bit overcast today, but tomorrow is forecast to be sunny. So I will definitely be filming tomorrow as well, so you can see how beautiful it is with the blue sky and the sunshine. But we're looking out towards the river, and we're just on the outskirts of Belém. Anyway, let's continue with the tour. There's a very big TV in here. There's the dining table and little kitchen here. So in here we have an ironing board and iron. This is just a useful cupboard. This is a water purifier, so we can just take tap water and put it in there. It purifies the water and we can drink it. In here is a dishwasher, sink, bin. This is a washing machine. And then we have the oven and cutlery. This is the fridge with some delicious snacks. I think I'll be eating some of those, and drinks. There's also a freezer down here. And then there's the cupboards. They have the plates and cups and glasses. Coming through here, this is the bathroom. So this hotel has a spa. The spa is called Serenity, the Art of Wellness. And their range of products are so good. I've used their products in a few different hotels, and so I'm so happy to see them here. I will be having a spa treatment tomorrow, so I can report back on that. There's the toilet, shower with those products from Serenity, the Art of Wellbeing. Nice big mirror, and they have the time on the mirror, which is quite handy, and a bathtub. Down here is the hairdryer, slippers, and towels. Then coming through into the bedroom, nice big wardrobe area. Oop. Excuse the noise. There's a mirror, and the dressing gowns are up there. And on this side, more storage and hanging areas. Coming through into the bedroom, nice large double bed and a big TV. I thought the pillows were kind of funny, the way that they've placed them out. They look very soft. And swing around here for the view from the balcony. So this balcony joins on, it's all one balcony, so you can go out and you can also access the lounge from the same balcony. But this is the bedroom. It's really nice. I can see it's raining a little bit now, and that's a bit of a shame because I really wanted to show the room with lots of sunshine, but I will show it tomorrow and you can see, how beautiful it will be. But as always, I wanted to film as soon as I got here before we mess up the room. Not that we're that messy, but you know, I just wanted to film it at its best. But it's lovely. Nice and spacious. And I think we're gonna have a nice few days here. Again, I want to say thank you to the hotel for such a personal welcome. I just wanted to point out one more feature that I really like about this bedroom, and it's that there are USB points, because a lot of hotels forget to have those. And here, there's two on this side here. There's two in here. And there's two on the other side of the bed. Because sometimes hotels, well, one, they either don't have them, or two, they just have them on one side of the bed. So it's nice that they've thought about that here. The hotel has kindly arranged 2 Lisboa cards for us, and these cards give us unlimited travel on the trams, metros and trains to Sintra, as well as free entry to lots of the top sites around the city. So that's very, very sweet of them to organize those. We're about to have dinner in the Vice Versa restaurant. You can see the bridge from here. It's quite cool. Our starters have arrived, and we have just on the bottom of the screen, these are the cod fritters. And then on the top of the screen, these are the veal croquettes. And then just in the corner is a tomato soup. Our main course is here. I have gone for a sirloin steak with potatoes and a fried egg, and Alex has a smash burger and fries. These are quite indulgent, but we thought we'd be more indulgent tonight, maybe a little bit healthier tomorrow night. Our dessert is here, and this is a pastel de nata millefeuille. So I'm very interested to see what this is going to be like, because I love both pastel de natas and millefeuille. So if you have a look here, you can see the layers with the cream in the middle. And I think this is a sorbet. Well, it looks like an ice cream, but I thought there was sorbet on the menu. Anyway, let's dig in. We're sharing it, by the way, because we're both really full. We're gonna dig in, and I can't wait to see what it's like. This is delicious. Really, really tasty. Just like a pastel de nata, but with the millefeuille layers. And yes, this is sorbet. It's breakfast time here at the Hyatt Regency in Lisbon, and this is what you can expect. They have a big selection. Look, they even have the Smarties. That's great. They have a pancake machine, they have all of the toppings, they have some real honeycomb there, lots of fruit and vegetables. They have different types of milk, different types of cereal, toppings, yogurts. Then all of the pastries you can imagine. These are my favorite, with some cinnamon on top. Croissants, cupcakes, donuts. These are the little chia puddings, fresh fruit, juices. Then round here, you can have some sparkling wine. This little bowls of salmon, cheese, ham, and then they have the hot stuff. Oh, I always love the little hash browns. I like chili and lots of breads. Looks lovely here. This is the beautiful spa at Hyatt Regency. It's called Serenity, the Art of Wellbeing. And actually, this is the third one I've been to. There's also one in Sheraton Cascais and in Pine Cliffs in the Algarve. So I know this brand very well now, and their products are lovely. Their treatments are super relaxing. This is my favorite body lotion, the Orange Whispers one. And yeah, the spa here is really lovely, but this is just the entrance of the spa.
Hi, my name is Daniela. I am a spa therapist at Serenity Spa, the Art of Wellbeing, working at Hyatt Regency Lisbon. Today we are going to do Senses of Lisbon, one of our signature treatments. We start with a body scrub with samoko salt and agar-agar algae. Very good to start detoxifying the body and prepare the skin for the massage. The massage is a tribute to the Portuguese discoverment when we used to go across the sea, and we bring spices here. So in the massage we use cinnamon and ginger essential oils. We listen to the Portuguese guitar. We have basil scent from the Saint Popular that we have in Lisbon, and at the end you drink custard tart tea.
This is the reception area at Hyatt Regency. It's really nice and big and spacious. I like this flower arrangement here. And the hotel has a very nice scent. They have some perfume wafting around. It's really nice. The weather's been lovely today, much better than yesterday. So now you get a better sense of how pretty the view is from the balcony here. It does look over a main road, but at least we're set back. And then just over the main road, you can see there's like a little park, and then there's the seafront, the promenade there. So there's lots of people walking and running, and it looks like there's a little cafe there. It's very pretty. So here, with the layout of the building, you really get to see your neighbors. All right, we're gonna head up to the rooftop now, so I can't wait to show you that part of the hotel. This is the rooftop bar. It's called the Icon Rooftop Bar at Hyatt Regency, and it has an incredible view. So this rooftop bar is so nice. We're just having our mocktails and really enjoying the view. Stunning. We're having another dinner at Vice Versa, and tonight I have gone for the chicken schnitzel with fries, and Alex has cod and chorizo. Thank you so much. This is the cheesecake. That looks delicious. Check.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I have ice cream. This is the Yellow Tram snack bar. It's part of the Hyatt Regency Lisbon. The hotel is just here on the right. And they've taken the famous Yellow Tram and they've put it here next to the bridge. And it's perfect for a coffee or a little cake break. I really like it. There, you can see the bridge poking out to the side. They have lots of nice cakes here, lots of drinks. And there you see the bridge at the top of the tram. We're just about to check out of the Hyatt Regency Lisbon, and I must say we've had a lovely time here. The room has been so comfortable to sleep in. It's been quiet, and I know some people on TripAdvisor were saying it's a little bit noisy because of the road. And yes, we are set back a little bit, but the balcony doors, I think they're quite soundproof. So we had no issues sleeping. Bed was very comfortable. We're gonna miss this view and this spacious lounge, but we really have had a wonderful time and definitely recommend staying here. It's easy to get into town, into the touristy city center area. Plus you're just on the edge of Belém, which is a beautiful part of the city. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment. Also, please give me a like and a subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. And I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.